trying to see if I'm live. I just need to cross check from my own end. Okay, yeah, I'm live. All right, so today we are going to address I just need to cross check from my own end. Okay, yeah, I'm live. All right, so today we are going to address it's making noise. Sorry. Okay, so I don't know, when I was actually setting up the live stream, I didn't include the headline. So my apologies on that. I'm going to edit it once the live stream is done so I can include the headline. It's actually how to redesign email, because one of the challenge that most of my students are having is actually redesigning an email, because at the initial start of their, that is one task I do give them: go out there, look for a good email and try to see how to replicate them and to redesign them regardless. And I gave them a bunch of swap files for them to go through, and today I'm going to pretend I'm new in the industry. Like when I was starting out, I actually did this myself. So I'm going to try to redesign an email. Like I saw this email on X, and then I just want to try to see, what if I was a beginner, how will I have approached this particular email. I just want to replicate it and then try to see how I can change things and then give it my own creativity. Okay, so this brand name is called Face Story. So I'm going to go head over here to search for it. All right, so we are in the website now, and then before then, I would love to critique this email and then show you what I would love to do differently if I'm going to design. So, and okay, so now I love how they put this element here. I love how they put this element here, like this and this. It makes sense, but I wouldn't actually go in that direction because it's very close to this text here, and then it's going to be a distraction now. Welcome to, I need to look at this, and then face story. So I wouldn't put this image here to actually reduce when it comes to digesting this email. And then yeah, this image looks good, and yeah, this element is nice. It's nice here. That means this email is going to be a full-fledged image. Like once it's going over to Klaviyo, it's going to be image. There's no space for text. And yeah, the product section is nice, but I don't like how these products are being cut out. Unless this is how the image is, then it's fine, but if it is not, then it would have been much better. And then this product image have been cut out as well, so I don't really like how it is. And then the next thing is, yeah, this is also better, but this image has been cut out, which is not nice at all. And so okay, I think the designer was actually playing a lot of element. It's good to use elements in your design, but you need to also know strategic ways of putting elements, so it's not going to form a distraction or a friction when your subscriber is going through your email. Because this particular email is a welcome email, the most important thing that they want to know is they want to get this code. So all this is not really important at that moment. It's not at that moment, and it's good to infuse this so that to give them another option, like okay, you can get the code and add one or two things into your cart. So I don't think if this is actually right here, because they are first time customers. They might have done something like this on the website. This would have come maybe in that the third email or so, but it's all good. So I'm going to start, and first of all I'll draw the frame. One thing I've heard about the most from my students are, okay John, how about we use 120 pixel, how about we use 600 pixel, how about we use 500 pixel. But regardless of the pixel size that you are using, so now I use my width size is always 600. I use my width size is always 600 width size. Thing can easily be scaled in, even though you are using 600. Like for instance, now if I want to scale this particular frame here, I can come over to here, scale, and I'll make it times 2. That is 1200, and everything there is going to scale. So I don't really see it as a big of a problem to me. I design in 600 with frame. If the client say, oh, we want the frame to be bigger, I can just scale everything up. So the most important thing is for you to get the email design. And then the next thing I always see is when I see a lot of, oops, sorry, I don't know where is my, okay, just hold on, let me get this. Is it file? Oh shit. Okay, things file. Okay, view. Yeah, ruler. See, I always see a lot of YouTubers using the ruler here, which is always good. I'll use it most times when it is necessary, but I don't like using it to maybe to know my layout, because as I place these two rulers, length. Like now this is 98. Yeah, 98 width. Is it 98? Yeah, 98 width. And then if I take it to this other side, oh, perfect. I got it right. So it's not every time that you get this right. Most time you might take it down here, you might not know, or most time it might even be more. So it's something that you need to look into as well. But I don't use that unless it is necessary when I'm actually working on the email design and I need to put some things inside the frame intact. So I use the ruler, but what I use mostly is the layout grid.